In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recruit on LinkedIn. We're going to walk through the exact steps to create a job post so you can start attracting the right candidates quickly and professionally. Make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account before you begin, so everything runs smoothly. First, head to your main LinkedIn profile dashboard. This is the page you usually land on when you open LinkedIn. You'll see your profile photo, headline, and activity feed. From here, we're going to access the recruiting tools that LinkedIn provides. At the very top of the page, in the main navigation bar, look for the option labeled For Business. It's usually on the right-hand side. Click on For Business. This opens a menu with different solutions LinkedIn offers to companies and professionals. In that menu, find and click on Hire on LinkedIn. This is where LinkedIn centralizes its hiring features, and it's the starting point for posting jobs and managing applicants. Once that page loads, you'll see an option to post a job. Go ahead and click on Post a Job. This starts the process of creating a new job posting that candidates will see in their feeds and in job search results. You'll now be taken to a form. The first field you'll see is the job title. Click into the job title field and carefully enter the role you're hiring for. Try to use a clear, commonly recognized title so that candidates searching for that role can easily find it. For example, use Marketing Manager instead of something overly creative that people might not search for. Next, click into the company field and type in the company name. If your company already has a LinkedIn page, select it from the suggestions that appear. This helps your job post look more credible and connects it to your company's profile. Now, choose the workplace type. Click on the drop-down and select whether this role is on-site, hybrid, or remote. This is important because many candidates filter jobs based on how and where the work is done. Then click into the job location field and add the primary location for the role. Even for remote roles, you may want to add a country or city for legal or time zone reasons, depending on your hiring needs. After that, open the job type dropdown and choose the correct option, such as full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, or other. This sets expectations clearly for applicants. When all these details look correct, click on Get Started for free. LinkedIn will then guide you through the remaining setup, like writing the job description and choosing how you want to receive applications, so you can start recruiting right away.